Hey everybody, did y'all have a family member who made one recipe that everybody had to have? My papa used to make the best chili, and so he would always just make it, and right before he passed, my grandma got him to write down the recipe. This is all of the seasonings that he put in his chili. Now this is for a huge recipe. I'm going to have to measure it out after I get it all together because I've never made a small batch, and this uses 5 pounds of meat. You can use whatever kind of meat you want, but it makes a huge pot. I'll put the recipe for the whole 5 pounds down in the description, so if you need to make less, you're just going to have to cut it in half maybe, I guess is what you can do. This is just the seasonings that went in it. I'm going to go ahead and get them all bottled up so whenever I go to make the recipe, I don't have to go pulling out all these little bottles. I already have it ready to go. Just dump it in the pot with the meat. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to get y'all down here in this bowl. Okay, the first thing that you are going to need is 2 ounces of chili powder. Now 2 ounces is about the size of a small bottle of chili powder. Sounds like a lot, but like I said, this is for a humongous pot of chili. So that's 2 ounces of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, 2 tablespoons of minced onion flakes, a half a tablespoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of cumin, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to get that all mixed up in here. Now that I have that all mixed up, I'm just going to pour it in this little jar. I have to be careful though, because I am known to make a mess. There we go. Put my little lid on it. That is my papa's chili seasoning mix. Now this whole jar will make one recipe of his. So I'll put that recipe down in the comments. I'm also going to put these little lids in there. They are perfect for these little jars. I was using the metal ones with the rings and the lids and everything, and I have to save those for my canning. So when I found these, I was quite happy. But that is it. I'm going to put that recipe for the chili down in the comments, and y'all go make you some of my papa's chili. I promise you are going to be so happy you did. Y'all have a good day.